Consumption data. Top 2 deciles consume 80% of the gold. 2, the gold prices have increased such phenomenal pace during the last 1 decade, and the market and consumers have stomached it.
Right.
Then what is the big deal about 4%, 5% tax on gold?
There are reports that many states want financial services and insurance to be taxed at 5%. Was the GST Council able to come to a consensus on this today?
Tomorrow, we are discussing services tomorrow.
Okay, and but as far as Kerala is concerned, what is your own view? Because currently a lot of services are taxed at 14.5%. In which bracket should it fall? 12%, 18%?
See,
how should things be lined up?
70% of our income used to come from commodities taxes, 14.5%.
Right.
Now, if you look at that, highest rate is only 14%, not 14.5%, and that 14% would cover only, say, around I think less than 50%. So there has been a sharp decline on the higher bracket tax revenue.
So as far as branded goods and branded products are concerned, what is the view of the GST Council?
There has been a demand that branded products be taxed at a higher rate. So we have decided not to have a total position like that, but selectively this principle may be applied.
By tomorrow, can we expect all these issues to be ironed out and GST good to go from July 1st?
Definitely GST will come into force from July 1st. That have no doubt. But we may need another meeting to iron out some issues that may still remain.
The tobacco and BD products, that is that's also a sticky issue. Will BDs be taxed at a 28% plus
Some of our
category?
states will never accept BD to be taxed at the same rate as cigarette.
But it continues to be a health hazard, isn't it?
But you tax now, despite being a health hazard, while the tax incidence on BD is 1/10 of the tax on cigarette.
Right.
Now all of a sudden you want to bring it on a par. Do you know what is going to happen? Not that people will smoke less. The consumers will shift to cigarette. And that would mean all of a sudden about 1 crore people losing job. And I don't know if anybody can be totally insensitive to that.
Absolutely right, sir. Thank you. Many thanks for speaking to us at ET.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/ETNow.